Okay, we're ready to flip this over and do the other side. First thing we got to do is get our part out of the fixture. Then we got to vacuum the bottom side of the fixture out so that we have a good right now. That's how far we are. That's the top side. We'll put our dowels in our holes here and mount it into the fixture after we vacuum it out. Again, make sure that there are no burrs to hurt our orientation with our registration, I should say. I now have both pins in. That's the top. So now, this is how it was in there before. We're going to flip it and put it into the dowel holes. There it goes. Tight fit. That's what you want, though. Clamp it down. Okay, now change our bit because we got a rough cut first, so we need the upcut bit, 1/4 inch. Okay, remember, we have to tap off from the blue part here. That's where we're going to put our tap plate because we want everything to be orientated off of the top, which is now against this surface. So let's put our touch plate over there. Now we're ready to set up and run the program. So you go to your USB, pick out the appropriate bottom file. It's going to be your pawn bottom roughing. Make sure the Z origin is from the table surface and the XY origin is in the center. If you did not save it right from your file, this may be wrong, but make sure it's that way. Hit next, turn the vacuum on, and we're ready to go. Now we're ready to tap off for the finish on the bottom side of our Piranha Pawn. Again, don't forget, on the bottom side we have to touch off on the fixture, on this fixture right here. So don't forget, we have to tap off here with our tap off block. So let's bring it over. Okay, we're tapped off. Now we load the program and start cutting. Okay, we're ready to start our cutting, so we go to USB. We pick out the file that we need. This is bottom pawn finish. Our Martillo is off the table surface for the Z origin, and we're on the center, so that all looks correct. So now we're ready to start.